We will see next step. Sometimes data execution prevention is not configured. Let's see how to configure it. Right click on this PC, properties, here go to advanced system setting and click on settings. Here click on data execution prevention. Here you can see I have already edited. Let remove it and add again. Just click on it's removed. Now when it's not added, you will see that it's blank. Let's add it. Click on it and go to where IDS is installed. In my case it's in D drive. Go to Next 7 client folder. Here type NE. Here you have to add all files which have .exe extension. This one, this. Okay, let's edit one by one. Select next 65exe, open, it's added. Again type NE and select this one, open, again click on it, type NE and select this one, repeat the process. Yeah, it's added. Just click on apply and OK. And restart your PC, and after that you will check the IDS, it will start.